Gotta pour my shit in the cup because I broke out my wine glasses.
Top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leah, if you guys do not know already. Welcome back to another episode day of Vlogtober. So you guys, it is around 11 o'clock. I'm up because I'm about to retake my pictures that I took in the other vlogmas. I keep wanting to say vlogmas so bad. In the other vlog, hold on y'all. In the other vlog, because I just did not like them. Like, I thought they went really well and I thought I liked it, but when I just kept staring at it and holding it in my phone, I realized that they were not giving. So yeah, it was just the pants I had on. The pants I had on didn't go with the vibe of the shirt. You see, this is my shirt I have on. It's like this little Halloween theme, you know, Vlogtober. So at first I had on like these leather shorts, and like the leather shorts went, but like the idea of wearing leather with this went, but just the type of shorts they were just too loose. It just didn't go. So I decided to put these see-through leggings on, and it had like this red band and it matched. It's perfect. Like, the vibe is very much so there, very much so better. So yeah, I just decided to redo them. And then you guys, so when I went to work, I got me another foundation. I feel like this foundation is matching me a lot better, so I like my makeup a lot more today. So I feel like my picture should be a hit. And even like the location I took the picture in, this is just really dark and really Halloween, you know what I'm saying? And where I took the picture, it just was very bright and friendly looking. It's like, you know, sometimes when you go and you take pictures, you have to make sure the scene matches your outfit. Like, I can't wear a fucking dress and heels in an alley, and you know, it has to go. I get my baby back today. I know you guys haven't seen Mars like this whole Vlogtober. Well, it's only been like 4 days, girl. But her dad was out of town, and when he came back to town, he kidnapped her, and she been gone for me for like, bitch, a week and a half, 2 weeks. So yeah, I get Mars back today. She's with my mom because my niece had a birthday party yesterday and she wanted Mari to be there, so she's with my mom. So yeah, I'm about to finish getting myself together so we can head out, because yeah, we gotta get the day started. I'm kind of having a late start, but it's fine. Everything's gonna get done. Everything's gonna work out. Yeah, and y'all, I've never worn this outfit, so if y'all see me out with this on and it's already on Instagram, I'm letting you know now, bitch. I'm wearing it again because it's October, and just in case if I go out, this is perfect. Okay, this is perfect. So just had to put that little disclaimer out there. Y'all, we made it. Thank you. I love Jessie so much. She hates me right now, and she's still gonna take my pictures. It's my girl. Okay, yeah, you guys, don't be like me. I hate stopping for gas, and then like at 4 in the morning, like I was not stopping for gas, and I really thought I was gonna make it to the gas station this morning. It wasn't like I was driving around and wasn't going to the gas station. My car stopped like right before I need to get to the gas station, and like the street is my street where it's 2 gas stations at, that street is closed, so I had to go drive a little further to another one, and my car just couldn't make it. But we're getting gas now, so okay you guys, so I found this location. I always come up over here to take pictures, but I never came up on the rooftop, so we're gonna see if we can get a nice little roof vibe. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but Jessie said she think it'll work, so we're gonna see. Y'all left my freaking lipstick at home, so I got this lip that I don't even know if it's good, if it's cute or not, and I can't see, bitch. We'll see. Hopefully it's cute. But yeah, let me take these pictures because bitch is hot, and ooh, with this quick weave I got a cute 10 minutes before I look crazy. So hold on y'all, I'll be back. Okay you guys, so we're in the hood, my old hood, you know what I'm saying? I'm at the taco truck. Me and Jessica, we're freaking starving. My makeup looks so much better today, but you wanna know what's fucked up? I rematched myself with another foundation, and I forgot the name, the color. I think it's NC46. I see the kitty. You should show them the kitty. She wants you guys to see the kitty. Can y'all see it? She's just pretty. Oh, we should take her. She got the one like I was saying, I think it's NC 50. No, not NC 50. I think it's NC 55 or no, NW 45. I think I have on NW 45 from MAC. I don't know. I have to figure it out. But my makeup looks so much better today. Like I knew it was something. I knew I was gonna figure it out. I need a new color because it was not giving. My makeup was trash. Not trash, but the color was off. The color was off, and it was like the color was too light, so it was making my highlight look even lighter. It wasn't giving. But now, since my foundation, my highlight is popping where it needs to pop. Yeah, we chilling. Hopefully this vlog is not too boring for you guys, but you know, when it comes like to Vlogtober, Vlogmas, it's literally just y'all every day in our life, in my life type shit. But I mean, I'm sure y'all don't mind. So we made it to the laundromat or whatever. Come on, let's go like the rapper. Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, I told you it was hot, Lee.
Maybe we can get on this. You can do it.
Let me try.
Who?
Let me try.
1, 2. There you go. Alright, mine's gonna be a struggle. Okay, wait, no, I should go from the back. I got a little stethoscope.
How you gonna just not tell nobody about the stethoscope?
I didn't think about it till now. We're brothers. We're happy. I'm thinking of color. Give me a high five. When I can't just know what it is. There's nobody around. I'm not looking at what you
We should do a sister photo shoot. But we're gonna celebrate. You gonna just do it? We're gonna celebrate the day we came sisters on my birthday.
kick down your doors and smack your cheek.
Oh, I feel like Easter. I wish I had a fine little dark skin in here.
You said you feel like Easter? Yeah. Bitch, motherfucking Insecure come back on. When it come on? Come on. The 23rd.
Bitch, I think it's like in 13 days, huh? Cause right, tomorrow's the 12th. So it's 12 plus 12.
Y'all watch Insecure? Is you ready for Insecure, bitch?
Bitch, y'all better watch Insecure the fuck. What was wrong with y'all?
Bro, I remember like when I got my place, I was like, bro, I'm gonna be able to watch Insecure in my shit. Like, it's gonna be so lit. I'm sorry. My bitch struggling.
Girl, it just don't want to come out. It's heavy. Oh shit, I'm dropping.
Oh, this, that one ain't washed.
Oh, that's one of the bottom.
Throw that away.
I don't need it. Whoa. I like my little laundromat that I got from Amazon.
I need to give me one.
Can you give me my bottom, please? But yeah, if y'all not watching motherfucking Insecure, then what is y'all doing? You're not catering to your mental health if you don't watch Insecure. You should go watch Insecure. And if y'all wanna do that old school shit, then I don't be like, I hate when they do that though. Oh. They wanna play, yeah, they wanna put do 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 like ain't no other old song besides that one. Last night they wanna play Can We Talk by Kevin Campbell. They play that every day.
Every day. You don't play shit else. And people singing like you ain't just singing at Taco Tuesday and that you ain't singing last night at the Thursday play.
Or
so people who go out all the time.
Or singing out last weekend. Like they don't ever switch it up. Build up my confidence.
Hey y'all. Do y'all still sing Dreams and Nightmares like you just not heard it?
I used to pray for times
I'm
like
really not understanding why it's still in rotation. Like I really don't get it. After college, Even in college, I didn't sing that song. But it's like, I hate it.
Said married to the money. I said, yeah, I do. Like a nigga sneeze.
I want to know who my subscribers are. You guys, like, if when y'all go out and that song play, please let me know if you still sing it.
Little nigga,
or I don't care. I'm never drunk enough to sing it.
Go and get it. I got it. Robbing niggas for diamonds.
I cannot.
I don't know the words.
I really want to know.
I know up to I don't say a word. I don't say a word.
Yeah, I'll still sing Tik Tok because I love Future Highs. Period.
Cash up on a new toy. I like to get the bottle out. Put cash up on a new toy. Then the camera stand up because it's too song. It smoke rain. Hey, we be talking sick. See, because I be at the club so much, I be knowing all the playlists. So when I be drunk and like actually going out, I be rapping.
Guys, you guys. Okay, y'all. I'm back the fuck home.
And you gonna wind the fuck down.
Justin's forcing me to get out my clothes, take a shower because I start my nights way too late for her.
No, listen. She will start her night by cooking and taking a shower at 11. Like, bitch, the night is over. We heading towards the morning time and you're still in the same clothes you're in. What? Like 5 hours, 6 hours ago? Take a shower, take out your makeup.
It's 7. I don't want to take out my makeup yet, but it's 7. So I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna take out my clothes so we can get to cooking. Y'all, look at my freezer. Why is it so frozen? Like, do y'all fucking, what do I do about this? Like, it's so frozen. I mean, thank God, you know, I would rather it be frozen than not. But this is a lot, huh? What did I bring in the house? I brought in all the groceries. I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna take a shower and then we're gonna get to cooking. We're cooking Cajun pasta tonight from scratch. That's what Jessica wanted, so that's what we're making. She found something on TikTok that she wants to do, so that's what we're gonna be eating tonight. And I got Mars back, so I need to get her together, take her a shower, because I ain't gonna lie, my baby, she been gone from her mama, and her dad does her hair, but she been with her granny. And one thing about my mama, she ain't gonna do nobody hair, girl. She don't do hair. So she need her hair done. She need to get refreshed, okay? So I'm gonna get her together. I'm gonna have us a good little night, okay? A little pasta, a little wine, a little 1-2. I'm gonna do what Jessica said, so she won't be mad at me. Because she'll get mad at me and annoyed. So let me not annoy her tonight because I've annoyed her enough. She had to push my car earlier today. She took pictures. We was in the heat. We was in the wash series, and she's just been a good sport all day. So let me so she can eat.
I love you, bitch.
I love you too, bitch.
I'll do anything for you, bitch.
Rain down on me. Let your love just fall like rain, just rain on me. Just rain down on me. Let your love just
Pass the motherfucking bustin', bitch. Okay, you guys, I'm finna pour wine. Y'all, 7 daughters, Kroger, 9 something, almost $10. Bustin', bitch. Moscato, 7.5 alcohol percentage. Lit. Gotta pour my shit in the cup cause I broke out my wine glasses. Caught up on the phone, she won't know my motherfucker. Yeah, man, that's the limit. We about to bust this shit. I just tell her meet up with you, and I'm gonna show up too. And she don't know what to do, and he's standing there singing sad. Hey you guys, so I just wanted to go ahead and end the vlog off. Girl, I didn't sit at this computer for like 3 hours. I took off my lashes, and I just went to end the vlog because I realized I did not end the vlog. Like, I finished my food and then I started editing, and I'm like, I started eating, then I put Mari to sleep, came back in here, sorry y'all look crazy, came back in here edited and realized I never ended the vlog. So I'm gonna end the vlog up right here. I hope you guys enjoy Vlogmas. I mean, why the fuck do I keep saying Vlogmas? Vlogtober. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This vlog I know is a little short, but I work tomorrow all fucking day, so I wanted to make sure that I can edit this tonight and it won't be like, because editing like 40-minute vlogs, y'all, that takes forever. So I just want to make sure that I had something able to get up that can process in a fast time tomorrow when I wake up to try to upload it. It's gonna be quick. Like, I don't, hopefully if I had to take, if I end up having to take my computer to work with me, the Wi-Fi isn't the best, so I didn't want nothing too big. So I hope you guys don't mind. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for tuning in. I know I was supposed to get this on Monday, but it just didn't work out. I had a busy day. Then I got Mari back today for the first time in 2 weeks, so that was a lot. Trying to cook dinner because my sister went through a lot for me today. So today just didn't go as planned. I mean, I had a good day, but it didn't go as planned as far as me uploading. So I hope you guys, I'm sorry, but the rest of the week we're back for Vlogtober. So yeah, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So bye, y'all.